Hey everyone, Josh from Speedy Tow Bars here. Today I want to take you through a question we get asked quite a lot. What's the difference between the Elecbrakes VM1 and EB2 brake controllers? Something our customers really enjoy with other brake controllers is the fact that it's a permanent install into their vehicle as opposed to a plug and play option. Where the EB2 is great for plug and play moving between vehicles, the VM1 is designed specifically for being installed into an individual vehicle, taking full power from the 12-volt battery and installing directly into your trailer plug, meaning that there's no extra connections, no joins, no splicers. It's fully fitted to the vehicle without having to modify the internal dashboard. So key differences for you as the customer. EB2, plug and play install, uses power from your taillights and brake lights when installed. VM1, permanent vehicle install using 12-volt power from your battery. What are some key features you can expect from both of these units? First, they're Australian made, built to Australian conditions with an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning that no matter where they're installed, they're going to live up to their reputation and last as long as your vehicle does. With the Bluetooth app, no internal modifications are needed to your vehicle for either of these products, making the install and moving between vehicles really easy without having costs of replacing parts. If you have further questions or you're still unsure on which one might work best for you, easiest thing to do is to call our team and ask some questions.